All right, here is Unit 3, Topic 1, Formative Review for Formative 1. So what are the similarities and differences between a solid formed by rotating the rectangle on the grid about the X and Y axis? Here, so if I go down here, about the X axis is around this way, so I'm going to draw a rectangle, and this is what you should do on your quiz also, is draw a rectangle shape about the x-axis. So this is 5 units this way. So I'm going to go down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right 3. And then I'm going to draw an arc mark from +5 to -5 here. And then duplicate that. So duplicate it and then rotate it. So it makes like an oval shape here. So you just got to sketch this by hand on your test. And then I want to duplicate that again and then slide that arc mark down there. So I get a cylinder shape, and about the x-axis then the radius is going to be 5 and the height is going to be 3. So R is 5 and H is 3. And then about the y-axis, I'm going to do the same idea, but about the y it would be this way here. So I'm going to do a reflection over the y here with this rectangle. So horizontal piece of 3 here and a vertical piece of 5. And then I'm going to make an arc from +3 to -3. And then duplicate that. And rotate it. So I make an oval shape. All right, and then duplicate it again. Slide it down here. So about the y-axis, I have a radius of 3 and a height of 5. All right, and then up here in the white space up here, I'm going to write what the similarities are. So the similarity is that both rotations form a cylinder. About the x-axis, R equal 5 and H equal 3. About the y-axis, R equal 3 and H equal 5. All right. And then the next question here, which of the following solids could be intersected by a plane to produce a square? Select all that apply. So the only one that works here is this one, the rectangular prism. So if I make a diagonal that's equal to this length here, and I could get a square. So the only answer that's correct is the rectangular prism. Number 3, which of the following solids could be intersected by a plane to produce a rectangular cross section? Select all that apply. So I'm going to actually draw them in here. So the rectangular prism, I could get a rectangle. Oh,